More than 1 million people drink it every single day. It's sold in almost every country on Earth. It looks simple, it tastes familiar, yet behind that familiar taste hides one of the most fiercely protected secrets in business history. The recipe that created a global empire worth billions. The formula that no competitor has ever been able to truly copy. This is the story of the secret behind Coca-Cola. It all began in 1886 in a small pharmacy in Atlanta. A pharmacist experimenting with flavored syrup and carbonated water created a drink that no one could have predicted would change the world. What started as a local curiosity became a nationwide sensation within a few years. But from the very beginning, the creators realized one critical thing. The real power wasn't just in the drink, it was in the formula. Very early on, the decision was made to keep the exact ingredients and their proportions a total secret. Not even most executives inside the company knew it completely. Over time, the recipe became known as Merchandise 7X, a mysterious code name that fueled rumors, theories, and wild speculation across generations. Today, the official story is that only 2 people at a time know the full formula. They are not allowed to travel together. They don't write it down in full anywhere, and if one person dies, another is chosen and top the secret under extreme security. Whether this rule still exists exactly as described or not, the idea itself shows how seriously this secret is treated. The written copy of the original formula is believed to be stored in a high-security vault in Atlanta, not a regular safe, a vault protected by multiple layers of physical security, alarms, and surveillance. And most importantly, no single person has complete access without proper authorization. This alone tells you how valuable that piece of paper truly is. Now here's the question everyone asks. What could possibly be so special about this recipe? Chemists and food scientists have tried for decades to reverse engineer the drink. Many have come incredibly close. Most agree that the flavor includes citrus oils like orange, lemon, and lime, along with spices such as nutmeg, coriander, neroli oil, and possibly lavender. The base sweetness comes from sugar or corn syrup, and phosphoric acid gives it that sharp bite. Yet, despite all the testing and analysis, no one has ever been able to publicly prove they have the exact original formula. Many clones exist, some taste extremely similar, but loyal fans still claim they can tell the difference. And that uncertainty alone keeps the legend alive. Over the years, there have been multiple attempts to steal the formula. In one famous case, employees tried to sell company secrets to a rival brand. Instead of accepting the offer quietly, the rival immediately reported it. The thieves were caught, arrested, and sentenced. This incident showed another layer of protection around the secret. Even competitors understand that crossing this line would destroy the entire industry's trust system. Here's something even more fascinating. In blind taste tests, many people actually prefer the taste of rival colas. Yet Coca-Cola continues to dominate the global market. That tells us something powerful. The success isn't driven by taste alone. It's driven by brand psychology, emotional connection, nostalgia, marketing, and most importantly, the mystery. The secret formula creates a story, a myth, a feeling that you're drinking something unique, something no one else can truly recreate. That emotional value is far more powerful than any ingredient list. From a business perspective, the secret formula is one of the smartest strategic decisions ever made. If the recipe were public, competitors could legally produce identical drinks. Price wars would crush profit margins. Brand differentiation would weaken. But as long as the formula remains unknown, the original always feels one step ahead. Even governments cannot force the company to reveal the full recipe. Food safety laws require companies to disclose potentially harmful ingredients, but not precise quantities or flavor combinations. This legal protection allows the secret to remain hidden while still meeting regulations. Another reason the formula stays secret is supply chain control. The flavor concentrate is produced under strict supervision and shipped to bottling plants around the world. Local facilities only add water, sweetener, and carbonation. This system ensures that even large production teams never see the full picture. What makes this story even more powerful is that the original formula itself may not be the only secret. Over the decades, subtle adjustments were likely made due to ingredient availability, cost, and regional preferences, yet the brand carefully maintains the illusion of one perfect, untouched recipe from the past, and that illusion is priceless. In a world where almost every product can be copied, leaked, or reverse-engineered, the Coca-Cola formula stands as proof that some secrets can survive for over a century, not because they are impossible to discover, but because they are protected with strategy, discipline, law, and storytelling. So the next time you open a bottle and hear that familiar hiss, remember, you're not just drinking a soft drink. You're taking part in one of the longest-running mysteries in business history, a mystery that turned a small pharmacy experiment into one of the most powerful brands the world has ever seen, and the secret is still locked away.